Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Snapchat SS06 code in iPhone. So, the Snapchat error code on iPhone typically indicates device banned due to violations of Snapchat's community guidelines. This means your device is restricted from logging into Snapchat or creating new accounts. There is no guaranteed fix for a permanent ban, but you can try troubleshooting steps like checking for updates. So go back to your screen and then go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. Okay, try to pin down Snapchat, right? And double check right here. As you can see that Snapchat needs to be updated. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and hit update Snapchat. Next, what you're gonna do, clear the app's cache, excuse me, right? So I'm gonna go ahead to the settings, general, iPhone storage, and we're gonna try to pin down Snapchat, right? Scroll a little bit down, click Snapchat, and you're gonna hit upload the app and double click, of course, to upload the app so you can release some of the unnecessary data or unnecessary files within the app. Okay, and if the problem still persists, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit delete app and reinstall it once again from your App Store or Google Play. Right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.